What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. World Cup is nearly starting and I think it's been confirmed that Neymar's playing. I don't know if he's injured, but I think he's like, they're sticking with the number 10 for him. So that's a good sign if he's still number 10. So looking forward to this World Cup now. We get Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar still playing. I know they're like the older guys, they mightn't play every match, but you know, should be good to watch. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So it's a back shot, he's pointing down at the number 10, Neymar Jr. And we get a look at the back of his head and maybe those wing tattoos. We'll see if we can get those in. So let's try. So we'll start with the collar, right? So it's just the easiest place. It places everything. So the collar just like comes across here. Kind of a bumpy line and down. And then this bumps across to his shoulder. And the collar is like, you know, here. And the shoulder goes down this way. And of course it's the yellow and green, so his arms will come out and up and the thumbs point down. So, but we get his head in. So we're just looking at the back of his neck, right? So roughly from here, you just want to kind of go this way. And so that's like the side of his neck. When it hits his skull, you kind of get like a bump. And then another, because the back of his head is shaved. Well, some of it is. That way. So the other side of his neck is here, and it's kind of like it's his neckline and it's his jawline, you know, because his head is tilted down. Then we get ears. So this will be the thing that makes it look like a head, really. So you get an ear sticking out here. And then the back of his ear line. Kind of like that, right? The other ear is like just above sort of his jaw. It might be slightly left of it, but it's kind of like your ear connects to your head where your jaw connects to your skull as well, right? So it's kind of it's an area that things connect. So like just above, say here, that'd be like the back of his ear, right? And then curve this around. And then the top of the ear. And again, we're looking at the back of it, so it's kind of a bit trickier to draw if you're not used to it. Yeah, if you're not used to the shape even. So it's like his earlobe. Like that, right? And then there's like a little curve just in here. So that's probably difficult. So take your time. It's a particular shape. So just to the left of this, we can see like his forehead and sort of different lines for like his face, because it kind of like bumps down. And like his cheek sticks out down into there. So, you know, you can kind of make out now the sort of shape for his head. And then in here, he's got sort of like stubble or like a beard. So it's kind of like a bit of a shadow, you know, of facial hair. So it's not like a full beard, so it's just... right. And then, so he has the sort of the long section of hair. So say like we get like his forehead coming up here. And then there's his thick curly hair, and then there's the short stubble, kind of like that, right? So I'll do the thick sort of curly part first. It kind of like bumps around here. goes to a V and then goes around the other way. Right, and then this will go like just bumping, like sort of hairy looking just all the way around. So there's just all sort of textures all on this. And then he has that bit of a shaved section, so it's like, it's all sort of like just stubble hair. It's not like, it follows the back of his ear and comes down, right? So it's not like strong hair like that. So it just comes down the back of his neck there. Then we can see kind of like the start of his neck muscles here. Do, 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 do. And he's very curly hair up here as well. So. Right, so that winged tattoo, I'll draw it in while we're here. So there's like different sort of writing and all sorts of stuff, but we can get the wing in. It's just like big sort of, I'll draw it in roughly. So you can't make it all out. Right, so that's sort of tattoo. And then there's like writing. Now, I don't know exactly what way this sort of writing tattoo goes. So I'll just sort of copy what I can see as best I can. Sort of like that, okay? So let's go down now for his sleeves, bumping, because it's baggy sort of jersey. It's just on his bicep, comes down here, around, and down and off the page. Same over this side. Down that way. So details on the jersey. So he's got a green line here. there's all these sort of fold lines and stuff on the jersey, so you can add as much of that now as you want. You know, the jersey stretches across his back, so there's, you know, lines that show the way the fabric is going. Right, then we'll write Neymar Jr., number 10, and then we'll deal with the arms and hands. So this text, it's a very particular type of square text. So we'll go the N first. So it's weird. It's a weird N. And then the E, it's like it has these little spikes taken out of it. Okay, and then R. Like so, and then 10. Kind of spiky down there. Like so, and then the arms and the thumbs pointing down. So he's not like a muscular dude, so it's like his arms are kind of thin, right? So it kind of like goes, no offense, Mr. Neymar. So his arms are just like that kind of, and then elbow. And then I think we just go like there. He's got like strapping on his arms and wrists. Do the other arm. More strapping. On the wrist here, an even longer one. So this one like goes all the way up to the top of the hand, this strap. Right, and then just his hands and thumbs coming down. So this is like top of his knuckles here. So 1, 2, 3. And then his index finger. This comes around. And thumb in here. And this thumb isn't exactly pointing down, but and then his thumbnail. And then the other side, so we'll go. Four knuckles on top. And his index finger comes out, round into the thumb. Maybe we can see just like some other bumps for just these fingers curving over there. And then the thumb itself. You can see his thumbnail. Now, of course, I know he has like loads of tattoos and stuff on his arms and hands, but they're kind of impossible to draw just with black ink. So I will let anyone who wants to do that themselves. But at least we got the neck ones done anyway. Neymar, looking forward to seeing him play in the World Cup. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.